Available at Titan Machinery of Huron, we have this 2012 Case IH QuadTrac 600 with 665 hours. This tractor is equipped with 30-inch Goodyear Trackman tracks. It has 6 rear remotes with hydraulic flow control. It's also equipped with a 3-point with quick hitch and a drawbar hitch. This unit also features a 1000 PTO. Other characteristics of this tractor include a Powershift transmission, Powerup shuttle shift, 16 forward speeds, 2 reverse speeds, 600 horsepower engine, front and rear differential lock, ground radar, parallel pump hydraulics, power beyond motor return, tow cable, 360-degree HID lights, dual beacon lights, suspended luxury cab, leather air seat, passenger seat, Case IH AFS Pro 700 monitor, and it's Autoguidance ready and complete with RTK. If you're interested in this piece of equipment or any other unit, please call our sales department at 605-352-8554 or visit us online at titanmachinery.com.